A paragraph on social media addiction. Social media addiction refers to the excessive use of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, where individuals feel an uncontrollable urge to stay connected online. This addiction occurs because social media is designed to grab attention through notifications, likes, and constant updates, which trigger the brain's reward system. People often turn to social media to escape boredom, loneliness, or stress, making it an easy habit to form. However, this addiction has serious consequences. It can lead to a decline in productivity, with individuals spending hours scrolling instead of focusing on studies or work. Social media addiction also affects mental health by increasing feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem, especially when people compare their lives to others' seemingly perfect posts. Additionally, physical health suffers due to sleep disturbances, eye strain, and reduced physical activity. To prevent or reduce social media addiction, setting time limits for usage is essential. Turning off non-essential notifications and having tech-free times, such as during meals or before bed, can help regain control. Engaging in offline activities like reading, exercising, or spending quality time with family and friends is a healthy alternative. Moderating social media use ensures that it remains a tool for connection and learning rather than a source of harm. By maintaining balance, individuals can protect their mental, physical, and emotional well-being.